Hello and welcome to another episode of Talk Through Thursday. And thank you so much, Jaspreet ji, for again gracing us with your presence on screen. Welcome, and how are you?
I am very fine, Barkha. And seeing you in front of me, oh, I'm smiling year to year. Thank you for having me.
Amazing. I thought it would be fun to do a little segment I'd like to call light-hearted moments. So it's a
Oh,
way for our audiences to get to know the person behind this professional. So are you ready to have some fun tidbits?
yes, I can give it a try.
Okay. If you have to describe your story in 3 words.
3 words. We give 100 and 150 words to children to write. You are giving me 3 words. I would say learning. I'm learning today also. Learning makes me grow. Learning, growing, thriving. I'm sitting in front of you today.
So, at last, keeping your glass khali to just fill it in, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, my glass
Great.
is khali. Yes, there's always scope because, as they say, once it is full, just pour it somewhere and wait for the next bit to come. So I'm always ready for the next bit to come into my glass.
Wow. Those words are really powerful, I must say. So, if you could travel back in time and give your younger self one piece of advice, what would that be? We want to know.
Life is beautiful. Go ahead. Don't worry. Roadblocks will happen. It cannot always be a smooth ride. But others have been able to cross the river. You will also be. So just be happy and keep going ahead with time.
Those were some wise words, I must say. Speaking of travel, like we just mentioned, if you could instantly teleport to any place in the world right now, where would you go and why?
You hit a chord in my heart. You actually want me to give the answer.
Why not?
I would go back to Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, wow, that was wonderful. I'll agree with you on that.
Fairy tales have been my personal favorite. Today also, I can sit and binge watch fairy tales. They give such a beautiful side of our lives, the positive side of our lives. That is what I like. Comparison, what is right, what is not right, why is wrong being practiced by certain people. So I would want to go back to that world, be that child, explore, be amazed, be fantasized.
You know what? I instantly connected with it, and it sounds like a dream destination for me as well.
Yes. And while talking to you, I want to pick up that book once again to read it. That would be my way of getting transported to that world today.
Oh, wow. So, lastly, here's a fun one. If you could have dinner with any fictional character, what and who would it be? And what would you ask them, like, while having the conversation?
You are bringing my nasty side out now. Now I would say I am a person who's through and through connected with literature, stories, language, characters.
Yeah.
One fictional character is Barbie.
Oh, wow.
Ask me why.
Why? Please, I want to know.
I want to tell her to evolve with times. She needs to understand the definition of beauty has changed.
Yeah, true.
Look within yourself, search within yourself for the abilities and capabilities. Because Barbie, I would say, is something who will play with the minds of the girls if this aspect comes into Barbie's depiction. So many small girls would actually think about things with a touch of realism is what we require.
I can relate to that. And it's really such a delightful and insightful segment, I must say. I feel that we have just scratched the surface of who you are, and it's been so wonderful getting the glimpse of your world. Thank you so much for doing this.
It was entirely my pleasure, and I did not even know all this is there. Now I feel like going back to my fairy tales and all these things because, yes, fairy tales I love any day. Beautiful they are. And you played with me, made me go deep and come out with certain things which were buried somewhere. And thank you so much for doing that. It's been a really, really wonderful experience for me as well to be here with you.
Thank you. And not leaving behind our audiences, I hope you enjoyed this light-hearted moments. And you need to remember that small personal stories that often inspires us, lead us to the paths we're looking for. So stay tuned for more engaging conversations, and don't forget to cherish your little moments that make you special. So until next time, take care of yourself and keep exploring. Thank you so much once again, Jaspreet ji.